Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you exactly what to do if your HP laptop isn't connecting to Wi-Fi on Windows 11. Whether your Wi-Fi is missing, constantly disconnecting, or just refusing to connect, don't worry, I'll guide you through step-by-step fixes to solve the issue quickly. Let's get started. Fix 1. Scan for hardware changes. This is the first thing you should try. It's simple, and sometimes all you need. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager from the list. In the Device Manager window, go to the top menu, then select Scan for hardware changes. This forces Windows to check for any missing or unrecognized devices, like your Wi-Fi adapter, and automatically reinstalls them if needed. It's super helpful if your Wi-Fi adapter isn't showing up at all or has recently disappeared after a Windows update. Once the scan finishes, check your Wi-Fi connection again. If it's still not working, move on to the next fix. Fix 2. Reinstall the Wi-Fi driver. If scanning didn't work, the next step is to reinstall the Wi-Fi driver manually. Open Device Manager again. Expand the Network Adapters section. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, then click on Uninstall Device. Make sure to check the box that says Attempt to remove the driver for this device. Click Uninstall to confirm. Once it's done, restart your computer. Windows will detect the missing driver and automatically reinstall the correct one. This helps fix any corrupted or misbehaving driver files that might be interfering with your connection. Fix 3. Run System File Checker, SFC. If the issue is deeper, like corrupted system files, this built-in scan can help. Press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the black Command Prompt window, type the following: SFC/scan now. Press Enter and wait. This scan might take 5 to 10 minutes, so be patient. The System File Checker will scan and repair any critical Windows files. Once it's done, restart your PC and then test your Wi-Fi again. Fix 4. Adjust power management settings. Sometimes Windows will try to save power by turning off your Wi-Fi adapter, especially on laptops. Open Device Manager again. Expand Network Adapters. Then right-click your Wi-Fi device and click on Properties. Click on the Power Management tab. Uncheck the box that says, Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK, close everything, and restart your laptop. This prevents your system from disabling your Wi-Fi to save battery, which can cause random disconnections. Fix 5. Update your Wi-Fi driver. Still no luck? Let's try updating the Wi-Fi driver. Go back into Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters, right-click your Wi-Fi device, and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will check online for the latest compatible driver for your Wi-Fi card and install it. You can also use Windows Update to update drivers and system components. Click the Start button, then go to Settings. On the left side, click Windows Update, then click Check for Updates on the right. If any updates are available, install them and restart your system. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods fixed the Wi-Fi issue on your HP laptop running Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel and leave a comment letting us know what worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.